moments later.
Alright, just shut the car off, but it's on a turbo timer, so I guess we gotta wait. Cool. Alright, so this video, I told you that the next video I was gonna do was to let you know let you see my turbo kit that I got, the big turbo for the car. So this is what we're gonna do. This is the video for it. So if you got an SRT4 or you want one, you might want this turbo kit. I don't know because I haven't installed it yet, but I guarantee you it's gonna be nice. So here we go. This is the box that it came in. All right. This is from Modern Performance. Damn, this thing is. Here we go. Oh yeah. All right. Like I said, this turbo kit from Modern Performance. Shout out to Modern Performance again. So the first thing we got in this box is this is going to be the AEM True Boost controller. Got that. Oh yeah. And on the other video I showed you my other gauge, but I got the AEM gauge in there also, the air fuel, so that'll go with that. Also got the precision wastegate right here. I'll show you what this looks like. This is all new, haven't installed it yet. Precision tune instructions, which I ain't gonna worry about, but my mechanic Jonathan is gonna worry about that. Shout out to Jonathan. I'll take you over his house for sure one of these videos so you can see the install. It comes with springs. Got this one, the yellow one, and here's the actual one right here. So, this thing's in there. Look at that. Precision tune wastegate right there. All right. So that comes with the kit too. So this all came in the same box in one order. This is the wastegate dump tube, as you see the flames on the video. So that's that. Also got the 3 gauge pillar with a 3 gauge right there. So no, this did not come with the kit. This is separate though. And obviously the True Boost didn't come with the kit also, but this is just what I ordered in the same order, but you guys get it. All right. These are the fuel injectors. So I got 1200 cc fuel injectors, brand new, ready for the big turbo, right? Let me see if I can get a close up on that. Look at that, in the package, brand new. Got a little sticker, you know, that has 5 horsepower, you know, right there. So we got that. Got a catch can right there, even though I ordered another one, so I'll let you see it also. So I think this is a catch can. Hey, anybody comment below, what is this? Actually, is this a coolant overflow or a, yeah, I guess I should know, but comment below. Let me actually know what this is if I don't Google it first, but it's always good to get you guys engaged. See if you guys can tell me what that is. All right, this is, order some other parts too. I'm not sure what this is. This does not come with the kit. Hold on. Okay. So this is the MPX catch can, oil catch can right there. So I'll order that. And if that's a catch can, maybe I don't need this one. So yeah, and this comes with, just in case you guys didn't think, MPX right there, right? And then we got over here, it's a coupling, 4 to 3 inch right there. We got some hoses for the turbo kit. All right, not sure where these go, but that's all right. Shout out to Jonathan, he knows. got the manifold right there. Look at that. I'm actually gonna get Tune Geeks later on, but for now, the build is good for this right here. So don't trip on that. That's coming. That's got the turbo housing right there. Look at that. Brand spanking new, never installed. The best way to go. Then, what you guys are all waiting for, this big thing right here. Look at that. It's the Borg Warner right there. Look at that. Nice and smooth. Ready to get installed. The only thing, look at how big that is. Look at that. And I can do curls with that. What? Hold on, let me see if I can see that. What? See? See? Who needs a gym? Just get a whole bunch of turbo kits. So anyway, that's the Borg Warner right there. So that's gonna go nice right there. Give me, I think this is the one. I will click the link below which one. I actually forgot, but I know this one is capable of 6 or 650 horsepower. So my goal is to get at least 600 in the SRT. So that's that. I'm gonna put, I did make a video the other day about the other stuff that I just bought. So I'm gonna go upstairs, grab that box, and then I'm continuing the video with that. But this concludes actually the turbo kit for Modern Performance. I think this one was about 2,500, I think. Not too bad, actually, for 600 some horsepower. That's not bad. We already know, you know, racing is a money pit. So, you know, it is what it is. You gotta pay to play. All right, what's up? So I got the other box from upstairs. Just put a little different camera angle so you can see the car also while I'm explaining the parts that I got. So this is on a separate order that I got, all from Modern Performance. I'd just rather do it right the first time. Quality parts, man. I guess I could buy used and new, but I'm not doing that with performance parts. Hold on, I think Amazon is coming by, of course. It's FedEx, you can bring me some more car parts, fool. Anyway, so back to what I was saying is that performance parts, I don't buy used. I just go ahead and buy quality, brand new, so I know it works. Now, outer stuff, I can buy used. Like the carbon fiber hood, I told you guys that I bought this from a homie, and I'll take you over his house for $150. That kind of stuff is not gonna break down your car. So I can go ahead and spend $150 on that. Who cares, right? But this kind of stuff, nah. So anyway, so in this separate order I got from Modern Performance, but you guys can comment below what you guys think about used parts or whatever. We can have a discussion about it. I already told you the reason why I do it. Maybe you guys will change my mind and save me some money. But I got the oil pressure gauge right here from AEM. That's gonna go into that gauge, that 3-gauge cluster that shows you guys. Also know that I need some motor mounts. So I got AGP motor mounts right here. Don't know which one this is. Could be the transmission thing. Sorry, guys, I'm not, you know. I work hard, I work long days, so I used to know where everything goes and jack up my car, get dirty, but right now, I just don't have the time. So if I misquote some parts, whatever. Here's some more of the motor mounts kit that comes in from Modern Performance, right here. I know this one because this one I actually see, but this is the top motor mount right here that you guys can see. Obviously that's most likely the lower one. That all came in a kit from Modern. Also got the fuel pressure regulator. You guys saw it in the other video that I got the gauge already hooked up, so I got that from Modern Performance also. I know that when I do put these parts on and they got to tune it, it goes through a lot of stress on tuning. So I went ahead and got another timing belt, and I need some spark plugs also. So, and then after the tune, I'm gonna get new spark plugs and new wires, so it's all fresh and nice. Change the oil, all that stuff, so that's coming. I am waiting on, I ordered from eBay, brand new DCR dual fuel pump, or fuel canister, with the fuel return lines and all that stuff. So that's what I'm waiting on, so, he's passing by again. But, so the reason why I'm telling you that is because I ordered from Modern Performance here, since I got a dual fuel canister coming. These are two 525 112 PSI fuel pumps. So this is going in that canister, and it should be delivered maybe next week. I talked to DCR last week, and they said that they were making it from scratch because they got a lot of orders from it. So they're going to be boxing it up this week. So I'm looking forward to next week. Once I get the fuel pump, then I'll be able to take it to my friends and take this car, and then we can see if we can get some good horsepower. So we got that. Oh, motor mount kit too. Screws. Also went on ahead and got a new water pump, since they're changing the timing belt anyway, OEM Mopar. So, and I think that is it from this haul right here. Yeah, so that's it. So I'm waiting on the DCR fuel pump, like I said, the fuel canister, and that's it. So then the next video will be me actually unboxing that fuel pump from DCR and the fuel switch that I got. And I think that's it. And then after that, I'll be ready to install everything, and then we can get this tuned. And then once it's tuned, I'm looking for about 500. I know everybody says 480 is whatever, but I'm probably gonna go 500 only because I'm gonna be building a motor like right when I'm tuning it. So if anything goes wrong with that motor, I'm building another one so we can swap that in and probably get the whole six that I'm looking for. So that's the video. So next video will be that, but the actual next video that I'm going to be posting is the sideshow. I got to do that. Remember the trailer that I gave you guys on this channel the other day. So it was Vegas versus Cali sideshow last weekend. So I'm working on that right now. I'll put that out in its whole entirety.